The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is shaping up to be one of the most exciting drone releases of 2025, and today we're diving into all the latest leaks. From detailed images to confirmed specifications, pricing, and the official launch date, there's a lot to cover. Whether you're a drone hobbyist or a professional content creator, this update will give you a clear look at what DJI has in store. Key features and specs rumors about the Mavic 4 Pro have been circulating for months, but we finally have solid information on what to expect. The Mavic 4 Pro will reportedly include a triple camera system with focal lengths of 28mm, 70mm, and 168mm, giving users a wide range of options from wide-angle shots to high-zoom telephoto. One of the biggest upgrades is a larger camera sensor, designed to improve image quality and make low-light shooting much better. The drone will also be capable of recording 6K video, a big jump over previous models. Another exciting upgrade is the introduction of a 360-degree gimbal, offering full directional movement and greater stability while filming. This will make it easier to shoot smooth, cinematic footage from any angle. DJI is also introducing a new electronic ND, neutral density filter system, which replaces the need for traditional physical filters. This means you can adjust exposure settings directly through the drone's software, saving time and effort. When it comes to battery life, the Mavic 4 Pro is expected to have an impressive 52-minute flight time, making it DJI's longest-lasting Mavic drone yet. Charging is also getting a boost thanks to a 240-watt charger that can fully recharge 3 flight batteries in just 90 minutes. On the control side, DJI is launching a new DJI RC Pro 2 controller with a 7-inch tilting touchscreen. This larger screen and upgraded interface will provide a better and more flexible flying experience, especially for professionals. Recent leaks show that the Mavic 4 Pro is already in its final production stages. A black and white photo shared on social media shows several units lined up for inspection, along with the new DJI RC2 controller. This aligns with earlier reports that the drone passed FCC certification back in December 2024, meaning the launch is right on schedule. Some of the early prototypes were reportedly spotted as early as December, suggesting DJI has spent months fine-tuning the Mavic 4 Pro to avoid the same launch issues that affected the Mavic 3. That drone was criticized for missing several features at launch, and it seems DJI is determined not to repeat that mistake. According to leaker Ellens, the final units are now undergoing quality control before being shipped out for promotional use. Although many fans were hoping for a January release after the FCC listing appeared, DJI seems to have taken extra time to make sure everything is polished and fully functional. This extra effort could lead to a smoother experience for early buyers. As the April 24th launch date gets closer, excitement is growing, but so are concerns about availability, especially in the United States. Due to possible import tariffs, there's uncertainty about pricing and how quickly units will be delivered. Europe is expected to receive stock shortly after launch, but other regions may experience delays. Interestingly, a social media content creator has shared behind-the-scenes info about the Mavic 4 Pro. While some of his claims, like a medium-format Hasselblad camera or full-frame zoom lenses, seem over the top, his leaked pricing details seem more realistic and have gained traction. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is expected to launch in several versions, each designed to meet different user needs. According to recent leaks, the standard package, which includes the DJI RC2 controller, will be priced at around $2,250. For those who want more flight time and accessories, the Fly More combo, also with the RC2 controller, is expected to cost approximately $3,200. At the top of the range is the Creator Combo, which features 512 gigabytes of internal storage and comes with the more advanced DJI RC Pro 2 controller, estimated at $4,400. These pricing tiers suggest that the Mavic 4 Pro will be more expensive than the Mavic 3 Pro. The higher cost is likely due to the advanced new features, improved hardware, and increased production and shipping expenses. Final prices may vary depending on the region, as local taxes and import tariffs could impact retail pricing. With the launch just around the corner, many are wondering, will the Pro model launch before the standard Mavic 4? Sources suggest that DJI will release the Pro version first, with the regular Mavic 4 following later this year. One standout upgrade being discussed is a new 95 watt-hour battery, which could make the Mavic 4 Pro the longest-lasting consumer drone DJI has ever made. On the software side, popular vertical shooting features seen in the Mini 4 Pro and Air 3 are expected to be added, making the Mavic 4 Pro ideal for creating vertical content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. The DJI Mavic 4 Pro is quickly becoming one of the most talked about tech products of the year. Thanks to its triple camera system, upgraded gimbal, 6K video capability, and long flight time, it's shaping up to be a top choice for drone professionals and enthusiasts. Although the final prices may vary slightly by region, it's clear that this drone will cost more than the Mavic 3 Pro. If you've been saving up for a next-gen drone, now's the time to get your budget ready and prepare for pre-orders. Thanks for tuning in. What features are you most excited about in the Mavic 4 Pro? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below.